Alright guys, so I'm shipping out a Nintendo 64 game, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, so I got the game, just sold this. Got a booklet with this one, otherwise I'd be using a smaller box, but I got this box, don't know the exact dimensions, I just kind of picked it up, it's just a used box. Crumple up the packing paper, you can use whatever type of paper you want. Put that in, and it works as kind of like a cushion. And I throw the booklet in there. Let's move that to the side. Got some bubble wrap. Wrap it in, and you want to make sure you're doing it on the bubble where the bubbles are facing towards the game. You don't want it facing outside because it's more better for you, honey. And then I just wrap it up. Just wrap it up. Fold these to the side. I'll throw the game in here. More perfect. Close up the box. Shake it. That's good. Now I'm going to tape it. I'm basically going to tape anywhere that I see an opening, just in case this gets delivered and it's outside or it's raining or wet. Yep, just like that. Right. And I'm gonna do this side. Almost done. That just ensures that it's fully sealed, especially when you're selling more expensive items. Sold this for about 50 bucks, so I want to take care of it a little bit. And we're completely sealed. Then after that, guys, I take a shipping scale. Got one of these, links down below. Dun, dun, dun. You guys can see that. And 9.6 ounces. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go print my shipping label and then I'm gonna ship this out. Okay, so I'm printing my label. It's 9.6 ounces. So it's not gonna be much. It's gonna be, I'm here in Washington, so my prices might be different than yours, but my postage cost is $4.10. My eBay discount, 76 cents. So $3.34 to ship out this Nintendo 64 game. And I packed it pretty well. I could have put it in like a little bubble mailer or something like that, but I decided to put it in a box, just a little bit more sturdy. Plus this is a limited edition collector's item, so, you know, I like to take care of my customers. So let's see, I got them at 9.6, I'm gonna print this label. Any additional options? Nope. That seems to be the cheapest. Let's purchase the shipping label, guys. We're doing it. We're purchasing the shipping label, guys. We're gonna get it printed. I'm gonna tape it on there. I don't have the fancy just stick it on labels yet, so I am currently just using packing tape to tape it on. Hit print from your phone. You don't have to use a laptop, guys. Your phone works just fine. I do 100% of my eBay listing and sales from my phone. Amazon's a little bit different. I have to use a laptop for that. Okay. What the hell? Is that really a paper jam? My printer would be jamming right now. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, baby. There we go, it's printing. Here's my document. Yes, it worked. All right, now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna simply cut this to fit my box a little bit better. So I got my label. Let's make it nice. I do take pride in my shipping skills. And, all right, got that all cut out. Now let's see, is that gonna fit there? I would like to cover that, that would be better. So I'm gonna make it a little bit skinnier. All right, let's make this a little bit skinnier just so it can fit perfecto. For my eBay stuff, for the most part, I get free boxes. That's just what I do. I could buy boxes, but I get them for free. I have businesses that I'm friends with, and I go there and pick up their old boxes that they use when they get their inventory shipments in. I take all their boxes and bubble wrap. You should too, if you want to save a little bit of money. And a lot of people are like, well, can't that be a hassle sometimes? For me, not really. Because these are people who get shipments in once a week, and I'm talking lots of shipments, so it's perfect for me. All right, and then we are all done. I got my label on there, and the box just looks good. All right, we're all set. It's time to get the hell out of here and go to the post office. All right, that's how you ship off a Nintendo 64 game, guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Hit the bell notification if you want to get notified every time that I release a new video. And go ahead and comment down below if you guys have any questions, or if you guys just want to see more of me. Yeah.